9:03. I just woke up and this is a realistic morning in my life. We have things to do today, which I will explain further when I've fully woken up. But first things first, I'm gonna open up all the doors in my house, get some fresh air in here because it's such a beautiful day. And I'm gonna make a coffee for me and my boyfriend. Look how fast my cat comes running. Hey. Good morning. I feel so dehydrated when I wake up. I want this vlog to be like very realistic. As you can probably see from the title, I'm living at home right now, although I do live in the basement suite, so that's kind of slay. And I'm currently job hunting for my first big girl job. So my days kind of lack a routine and structure, which I really miss, to be honest with you. The only thing that kind of keeps me in check is Monday through Thursday I go to Pilates, and then Wednesday nights I go to acting. It is a Wednesday today, so I will be doing that tonight. And I have Pilates at 11:45. So the purpose of this vlog is for it to be realistic, but for it also to be there as kind of like motivational to me. I have some things I've been putting off and I need to get done. So
vlog, you got this. Today's gonna be a good day. You're gonna keep your head up high. You're gonna take one step at a time and kill your dreams today.
Anyways.
Oh my god. Can I get silence in the background? There's his alarm going off. So we're just really killing it as a couple. So this vlog is meant to be realistic, but also meant to hold me accountable for the things I need to get done. Right now it's like 9. I want to say it's probably like 9:15. Anyways, I'm gonna brush my teeth. I just brushed my hair. And then I'm gonna make a coffee. That is the next step here. I'm gonna sit outside in the beautiful, well, I'm not sitting in the sun right now because my little chair isn't in the sun. I'm gonna show you befores of my bedroom, my kitchen, my bathroom, and then like our living room, so basically the entire suite. And I want to show you realistically how messy it is so that I can hold myself accountable and clean it and show you the afters. So that is on my productive to-do list this morning. I also really need to get some laundry done. I'm going on a trip to my cabin on Friday, so I need to get some laundry done. I need to do my sheets, a couple other things before I head to Pilates, which I'll take you along for, obviously. Okay, I got changed into my little cleaning outfit. Just comfortable clothes. Let me give you kind of an overview of what we're working with today and what I need to get done or want to get done. Here is my kitchen. As you can see, it is very messy. There is food on the counters from our little late night snacks, groceries that I need to put away, i.e. just drinks and beverages, dirty dishes that need to go in the dishwasher, just stuff everywhere. And then this is our living space. This is like harder to deal with right now. These are things that I need to put on Poshmark and sell. These crutches are getting sold. This stuff needs to be put into storage, blah, blah, blah. My desk needs to be organized. I need to do laundry, reorganize, put away cups, vacuum. This is my boyfriend's corner, so I'll leave that for him. And then our bedroom is definitely the #1 culprit. This is my side, and it is literally so messy, and I have just been putting off dealing with this for so long. So these are some clothes that I actually just got and was trying on, and then this is all stuff that needs to be organized and put away. And then I need to do our sheets, put those in the laundry and get those dealt with. So I'm going to try and get as much of that as I can do done in the next 45 minutes before I have to get ready for Pilates. So cue the montage. I look crazy. Just having a quick turkey chomps. It is 11:07. My class is in half an hour. So I'm gonna get changed and then head to Pilates. My room, mostly dealt with. The only thing is this, but this is new clothing. I'm trying to decide if I'm keeping or not, so I'll figure that out later. But for now, I'm gonna get ready and head to Pilates. Just parked, walking to my Pilates class. Right now, it's so hot out. I'm actually sweltering, and I'm like, the class starts in 2 minutes, so I kind of gotta rush. but I will talk to you when it's over because I cannot film in there. Okay, I just finished my class. It is 12:50. I'm gonna drive home, and I know this was like originally just gonna be a morning, but I feel like I am holding myself accountable because of this vlog, so I'm gonna extend it a little bit and do like a morning today productive routine, see how that goes. I feel like it's just so nice to like plunk on a camera and when it's filming me, I'm like not on my phone because I'm like, oh, I'm being filmed right now. So yeah, I'm gonna go home. I have laundry in, I have our sheets in the wash and blankets in the dryer, so I'm gonna go deal with those, and then I'm gonna chuck my clothing in so I can pack for this coming weekend, and I'm gonna make some lunch. I think I'm gonna do a sandwich, but I'm really not sure, so I'll figure that out when I'm home, but I'm gonna get going now. Hello you guys, it is 2:17 now. And I got distracted a little bit. I was chatting with my parents. They just got home from our cabin, and so I was chatting to them about their trips. They were gone for a week. Today is still gonna be productive, but it has been a little bit more chaotic. However, a little bit of caffeine to keep it going. So I'm going to have some matcha, this nice little iced matcha. My sheets and everything are out of the dryer, so I'm definitely gonna put those back on my bed. Everything is cleaned, like all my clothing's put away. I'm gonna tackle my kitchen and my desk as the next two places. I vacuumed my bedroom already, so that is like, I feel like almost done once the sheets are on. I'm just gonna do a bunch of cleaning and try and get ahead of that. I look insane. I have an acne face mask on because my skin is like freaking out. I just dermaplaned because I had some little mustache hairs and some other facial hairs that you will be able to pick up on camera, which leads me into my next point. I have my acting class tonight. This is my script. Oh, that's the back. This is the front page, and then just notes about my character that I like to write down. But we're filming our scenes tonight, and so I want to make sure that my skin looks nice because I'm going to use this clip of me acting in my demo reel that I eventually will submit to agents and like student projects and stuff like that. Anyways, I need to put a little face mask on for that. I'm gonna have a bath in a minute here and just wash this off and then do a quick cold rinse because it's like 30 degrees out, and then my class is in like 2.5 hours, I think. So I'm just gonna slowly get ready and go over my lines because I really want to make sure that they are nailed in for tonight. I'm really looking forward to it. I love my acting class so much. It's truly changed my life for the better. I got 2 phone calls today, which were both exciting for different reasons. I've been really putting out to the universe, like, please someone call me back for a freaking job. Like, oh my god, even a cafe job these days, like, why, what? So a cafe that I actually was really wanting to work at called me back today, and I submitted my resume to them like literally 2 months ago, and they just called me back today and they're like, hey, like, do you want to come in for an interview tomorrow? And I was like, yes, I do. So tomorrow I have an interview with them, which is exciting because it's like a health foods cafe, which is like so my vibe, and it's really close to my house. It's at a beautiful location, so I'm excited to interview for that. I've worked in a cafe before, and then I've also served for like many years, so I have no issue about my competence in the job, just whether or not we mesh well. And there's a few things with my schedule that like kind of requires a little bit of flexibility, which is the next thing. And the exciting phone call was that I finally got a background agent. Yay. Again, I submitted myself to this agency not like a month ago, but like 2 or 3 weeks ago when I was on a background gig, and everyone there was like, I was like not complaining, but I was saying, I was like, oh yeah, I haven't worked very much. Like the last background job I got was in December, so it's like been quite a while, and I get that Hollywood is like still recovering from the strike, and so like the film industry in Vancouver is like still recovering from all of that. But everyone was like, oh, like no, I've been like pretty busy, like what agency are you with? And I was like, oh, I don't have an agency, like I just signed up through this like general website. And everyone's like, oh, if you're serious about it and you want to do it more, if you're interested in acting, you should get a background agent. And I was like, okay, give me the name of your agency. So So I sent an email to their agency with my headshots and everything, and they just called me back today and were like, hey, we're interested in having you come in. Like, can you fill out all these forms, and then when are you available to come in next? So I'm going in early next week, which is really exciting. So hopefully I can work a lot more in terms of like background acting, just because again, I feel like film is kind of the direction I want to go with my life. So it'd be great to get experience. And like, I feel like everyone who's an actor has a side hustle while they're like trying to get it to work. Everyone's like a barista or a server or a dog walker, or they work remote, or like literally whatever. But ties back to my other job interview tomorrow is I'm just gonna mention like that I'm pretty open like in terms of availability, but I do just need like some flexibility in terms of being able to like trade shifts with people. But other than that, like I'm pretty open to when they need me. And I'll check back in when I'm off to my acting class, but I got everything on my to-do list done today. All my laundry, my house is tidy, thank God. It was like really stressing me out. I feel like it was fairly productive. My Pilates class was amazing, got my workout in. The only other things that are must-dos in my daily life are I gotta do my Duolingo. I'm learning Chinese simplified. The other thing that I do every day is I walk 10,000 steps. No idea where I'm at with that today. Probably more than I think, because doing chores honestly like racks up those steps more than you know. So those are the only like 2 requirements of my day. I'm so excited to have a job interview. Seriously, I've been unemployed now for a couple months, and it was like maybe fun for like 2 weeks. It felt like vacation vibes, but I do not have an income. Like I literally have no income sources other than that one background acting job that I did. Like that's literally all I've worked. And another thing that I've really missed is just like having something to do with my time. But anyways, I'm going to wash this off now. There she is. You can't come in here, you know. No. Stay. She knows she's not allowed. You're not. I'm gonna go deal with that. I'll talk to you later. Okay, I'm all finished my makeup for my acting class now. I think it's good and camera ready. But that is the end of this vlog. It was a very realistic day in my life. Hopefully my routine will be switching up ASAP, and I will have a job soon so I can have some more things to occupy my time. But other than that, make sure to like this video, comment down below if you want to see anything else, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!